Today we will see like chapter number 3. In this we will see like combining forms, suffixes, terminologies and all these things. So whatever the word come in a last na, at the in the last na, it is known as it is called suffix. And the word which is come before na, it is prefix. So here that is a simple image like on our abdomen area, like where the stomach is there, liver, gallbladder, like. So here the word now, like we will see abdomen. The first word is abdomen, abdomino means abdomen, our abdomen area. Acro means extremities, okay, top extremity or leg or head and hand or leg, whatever. So it is the top extremities you can say. Acute means sharp, severe, sudden, like pain it may be. Adden means gland, okay. Adip means fat tissue, amnio means it is amnion means it is a sac surrounding by the embryo. It is a amnion. It is a sac area. Okay, that is the area called sac. Angio means vessel. Artery. Yo means artery. Arthro means joint. Our joint like hand joint, leg joint. Axilla means armpit. Okay. Bio means life. Slave. Blepher means eyelid. Our eyelid. Okay. Blepher means our eyelid. You know that. Broncho means bronchial tube, like two tube, na? One right side, one left side, branch from the trachea to enter the lung. Okay, it comes in a lung. That is the bronchial tube, connecting the like lung. Carcinoma means cancer. Okay, cardio means heart, our heart. Chemo means drug. Chondro means cartilage. Chrono means time. Colon means like colon. Colon, our large intestine, na? It is colon. System means urinary bladder. Encephalon means brain. Erythro means red color, like we can say. Hemo means blood. Hepat means liver. Hydro means water. We know that. Inguine means groin area, our waist area or pelvic area. That is inguinal. Okay, mean our downside area. Ischio means to hold back. Lapro means abdominal wall. Okay, so like laryngo means larynx. Leuco means white. Lymph, it is a clear fluid that bath the tissue. It provides nutrition, like look lymph. So there are so many lymphs are there. Mammo means breast, masto is the same. Morpho means sharp form. Muco means mucus. It is a like fluid. Okay, it is a kind of fluid, soft fluid. Like myo means muscles. Myelo means spinal cord, bone marrow. That is myelo. Necro means death means the cell na that got death. Okay, that becomes death. The area that becomes death, na, it is necro. Nephro means kidney, neuro means nerve, neutro means neutrophil, a white blood cell. Nucleo means nucleus. Okay, it is nucleus. We have seen already nucleus before. Ophthalmo means eye, our eye. Opium means it is a drug. Okay, kind of drug like opium. Osteo means bone. Auto means our ear. Okay, and path means disease. Patho means disease. Pathology we say na, that means disease. Peritoneum means peritoneum. Phago means to eat, swallow. Okay, Flabo means vein. Plazo means forming anything. Plazo. Okay, forming, developing anything. Na? That is plazo. Pleuro means pleuro membrane surrounding the lung. Pleura. Okay, it is a membrane surrounding the lung. So pneumon, it is lung. Pulmon, also lung. Radio means X-ray, MRI, CT scan. It comes in a radio, mean radiology department. Like rectum means rectum, downside area. Okay, rhino means the kidney, rhino means nose, circle means flesh, spleen means you know that spleen, sorry, spleen. Staphylo it is the kind of virus. Okay, strepto twisted chain, like any area, like any like anything, na? Like it is shifted. toward the little bit toward the next like side. Thorax mean chest, thrombo mean clot, tonsil mean tonsil. We know that. Trachea mean trachea, windpipe. It is wind. We know that. Like in this cephalo mean like brain. Okay, encephalo. It mean brain. We have seen already. Cerebrum mean it is a large part of our brain. Cephalo mean head. Cephalo mean head. Okay, encephalo mean brain. Cephalo mean head. Cranium and skull, trichome and mind. Okay. Coccyx it is a tailbone. Coccyx means it is a tailbone. Tailbone means like it is a very large bone in our body. Okay. Larynx means voice box. Phalanx means throat. Okay. Phalanx means our finger. Now the next is coccyx. So okay, that is done already. Okay. So like gastritis, we know that inflammation of our like stomach. Okay. The next is like algia. Algia mean like arthralgia mean like our joint pain. Okay, ARTHR. Arthro mean our joint. Algia mean pain. Otalgia mean like our ear. Algia mean pain. Mean ear pain. Neuralgia mean our nervous system pain. Myalgia mean muscle. My mean muscles. Algia mean pain. The muscles pain. Fibromyalgia mean it is a common chronic disorder that involves widespread pain in muscles. It is a muscle pain. Okay, fiber tissues are around point. Okay. Silly mean hernia. It is a rectosilly. We can say that. Okay, the area na, that come out, the weakened area, they come out. Some portion na, of that come out. So rectosilly, like it happen in the downside. Cystosilly mean it is a cyst mean like sac-like structure. Okay, anytime type of sac like the silly. It also come outside like synthesis. Synthesis mean to make a puncture to remove the fluid. So thoracentesis, the doctor, na, they do that like what they do? They make a puncture to take out the fluid. If anything accumulate or come filled with the water, na, in any area in our body, na, if it become like filled with the water, na, the doctor make a puncture, make a hole in that area that take out the fluid to outside. So thoracentesis mean thoracic area. They make a puncture in area. Okay, they take out the fluid. Amniocentesis, it is a amnio, like it is sac like structure, na? In that area, suppose there is a fluid, they take out the fluid. Amniocentesis, abdominocentesis, the doctor has made a hole in our abdomen area and take out the fluid if the fluid is there. Paracentesis mean beside or near. This process is more commonly known as abdominal paracentesis. Para mean like in mean beside or near in that area, they make a incision, take out the fluid. Okay, coccus. Coccus means berry shaped bacteria. It is a bacteria. Coccus or coccina, it is a bacteria. Type of bacteria. So streptococcus, staphylococcus, no, it is a type of bacteria. Just remember the word only. It's a staphylococci. It is a bacteria type. Cyst means cell. We know that erythrocyte means like red cell. Okay, and then leukocyte means the white cell. Thrombocyte mean like clotting cell. Okay, thrombo mean clotting, mega clot. Dynia mean pain. Dynia mean pain. Pleurodynia, pain in the chest wall muscle that is aggravated by breathing. Pleurodynia. Okay, chest pain like. Ectomy means excision to take out some portion of that body. Okay, and remove it. That is ectomy. Laryngectomy, like okay, they make a removal of any area of voice box, larynx, mastectomy. Mastectomy, some portion of our breast, like they make ectomy. Okay. Anemia mean blood condition. Okay. Blood condition or bad condition, like we can say. So anemia mean without condition, and ischemia also the blood condition. Anemia means okay, blood condition, and anemia. Deficiency. Anemia means some kind of deficiency. Without and like that thing. Emia blood. Emia EMIA. Emia means blood and N. Here given na EMIA emia. Emia means blood and N. N given na N means without. We have seen already before na. Okay, that word and it is a vowel that helps in combining the word. So and anemia means without blood. That means this deficiency of blood we can say. Genesis condition of producing forming. Genesis means making anything, है ना? Generating anything by itself. Carcinogenesis like the particle of cancer, na? It is generating in our body, making it. Okay. Pathogenesis means the like disease making. Okay. Angiogenesis means angiogenesis producing something. Gram it means record. Electroencephalogram we have seen. Okay, taking the record of with the help of electricity of brain. Electroencephalogram. Mammogram, you know that. Okay, graph instrument for recording. So electroencephalogram. That is the same graph. It is graph means instrument for recording. Just take a picture or anything. Graphy process of recording. It is also no need to see much more in this angiography. Taking the like record anything na while diagnosis. Itis mean inflammation, we know that. Bronchitis, inflammation of a bronchial tube or anything. Myelitis is muscles inflammation. Myeloma in spinal cord. Sorry, myeloma in spinal cord. Or okay, so inflammation of our spinal cord. That is the meaning. Now thrombophlebitis, like it is a blocking area, na? Thrombophlebitis, tonsil swelling, thrombophlebitis, inflammation of the thrombophlebitis is the area. Phlebitis. Okay. Logy is a study of ophthalmology, making the study of on eye. Ophthalm mean eye. Morphology mean forming something. Lysis is breakdown, destruction. Like lysis mean destruction. Hemolysis mean destruction of the blood. Okay, breakdown red blood cell. Like we will become like we can we will our condition will degrade. Okay, downside, making downside. Our health will become down. Okay. Hemolysis anemia. It is deficiency of hemolysis like blood. Hemolytic. Malaysia, it is softening. Malaysia means softer part. Okay. Softening. So osteomalacia means bone become like the bone now. Our bone become weakened. Okay, weakened. So the quality of that bone is become downside. Okay. So osteomalacia. Chondromalacia, also the same thing. Megaly enlargement. Megaly means enlargement. Okay, something become enlarged. So acromegaly. Okay, acromegaly. Like acro is our like area, na? Hand area. This type portion. You can also search in Google. You will see. You will know better. Acromegaly is a part of our like area, like hand or anything. It's megaly. Oma mean tumor. Myoma mean tumor. It is a muscle tumor. We can say that. No? Benign tumor, myosarcoma, it is also the tumor. Okay, multiple myeloma, hematoma, blood tumor, hemat mean blood. Okay, myeloma tumor. Okay, and myelo mean like our bone. Okay, the bone tumor that is. Opsy tubule. Opsy mean tubule. Like biopsy, we do not bio mean life, and the doctor making with weaving of this life. Okay, necropsy like that area, necromin that optimum just to examine to see. Osis like condition usually abnormal, that is abnormal condition like necrosis, like the condition of that area. Hydronephrosis like hydro mean accumulation of fluid. in a kidney, in abdomen kidney, osmosis means the condition. So how much fluid has come in this kidney? That is their condition. Okay. Leukocytosis, white blood cell abnormality like condition. Pathy mean disease condition. Cardiomyopathy like cardiomyomin like myomin like our muscles of our heart. Okay, cardiac heart. So the condition you can say that. Penia mean deficiency. Or erythropenia. The blood cell like deficiency become neutropenia. Also the deficiency. Phobia mean fear. Acrophobia, fear of height, anything na, that come in a fear. Acro mean extremities. Okay, acro mean extremity. It is extremity. Our hand like it is our hand or leg. Acrobat who perform high wire. Okay. Agoraphobia, like it is a condition of our perception. Okay. Some people monitor no with anything that is plasia development. Okay. Achondroplasia, like formation of anything. You can see. I have given you the book. You can also read this whole thing. Then you will know better. Plastic surgical repair, angioplasty. So making the surgery of this angioplasty damage. Okay, angio like cardio an intervention cardiologist open a narrowed blood vessel mean artery using a balloon that is inflated. Okay, angioplasty mean making correct of that vessel. Okay, so the blood will flow smoothly. Pitosis like dropping, falling. Okay, so phlebiroptosis. Patient use pitosis alone to indicate dropping of the upper eyelid or the breast. Pitosis. It is dropping, falling, prolapse. Okay, it is a condition. Pitosis like osis like condition and phlebiroptosis like our eyelid become like phleber mean our eye related thing. Okay, so it is condition that thing. Rhea mean flow discharge. Rhea means continuously something come out like fluid from any area or like a pus kind of thing. A pus come out from any uh, damage area like sclerosis like hardening. Okay, it is a hard area. Sclerosis means hard. That become that area become hard. So arteriosclerosis means artery become hard. Atherosclerosis means our vessels become hard. Okay, like deposition of our fatty material in that area. Scope mean instrument to see. Okay, laparoscopic. Laparo mean our stomach area. Scopic mean just put in just to make a hole and put that instrument to see inside the thing. Okay. Scopy the same thing. The process of see laparoscopic, laparomean our abdominal area, laparoscopic. Okay. Stasis mean controlling stopping. Stasis mean to make something stop, like continuously flowing the blood, not just make to stop. To metastasis, controlling, just make control them. Metastasis, like meta is the spread of malignant tumor beyond in the inner side. So just make it stop. And hemostasis mean blood stopping the blood. Okay, blood flow. Hemostasis. Okay. Stomy mean opening to form a mouth stoma. The stomy means just making to open that area. Colostomy. Okay, so just doctor do that to do the operation. That is why. Colostomy, tracheostomy, just put and just make wider that area and just do the operation. Therapy, it is treatment like hydrotherapy, chemotherapy, radiotherapy. These three types of treatment are there. Okay, hydro mean water, chemo mean medicine, radio mean our X-ray, MRI, CT scan, this all thing. Tomy, incision make a tomy, laparostomy, lapara mean our abdominal area, they make a incision. to do anything. Tracheotomy in our like neck area, phlebotomy like our in eye area. Trophy. Trophy means development nourishment. So hypertrophy means extra nourishment has done of that area. Okay, hypertrophy. That is. So like in this now, like they are taking the fluid. Ultrasound machine you can see. Okay, transducer you can see right inside. Then amnion is this, amniotic cavity is this. Okay, cavity means empty area. So fluid has come in this in a large amount. So when if that the doctor need na to take out the fluid due to any situation, okay, so they take out the fluid. They are taking out the fluid simply. Amniocentesis. They have made amniocentesis. Okay, amnio mean amniotic fluid. Synthesis meant to make to take out that fluid. Okay, with the help of instrument. Tonsillitis means inflammation of tonsil. Tonsillectomy just remove the tonsil area. Achondroplasia. Achondroplasia. It is a kind of boy with achondroplasia. His abnormality includes short stature, normal length. Okay. Ptosis, our eye has become closed completely. Okay. Ptosis of we have seen. Ptosis of the upper eyelid, phlebotosis. Condition may be congenital appear or birth. That is a condition in which our eye become closed. Optosis. Laparotomy. We already have seen, have read this all these things. Just giving the picture, okay, to understand better. Laparotomy. They have made a puncture in our abdomen area. Okay, laparoscopy. They have also put the microscope to see inside what is this. Okay, radiograph, leukemia condition, blood condition. Histamine specialist, nephrologist like kidney specialist, ointment, opioid. Yeah, this is a that is a yeah this our exercise. I think this is okay. Just see, specialist opioid drug. It is drug adenoid gland. Okay, and arteriole, veneole. Just see this word only. Pericardium, sounding area of cardiac. Okay, mucus mean it is a base. This is a exercise. Okay, mucus is a like soft fluid. No, esophagus of us. You know the esophagus. So that is a picture of our artery. Sorry, artery. Okay. So from the left hand side, na, away from the heart. Okay, like it comes like this. It comes artery, then arteriole mean very small part na, of artery. It is arterioles. Then it becomes more thinner. Like then we will call capillaries. Okay. In the same way, veins come, then it become venules, then it will become capillaries. Okay. We will see this chapter is given already in this. That is the exercise. We have completed this chapter. Okay. Opioid is a drug. Okay, it is a kind of drug. Lymph node, genital node, hernia. Hernia given. Hernia is a hiatal hernia, are there inguinal hernia, cystocelli, rectocelli. We have seen this all this before. Okay. Three type of hernia. Hernia in hernia, it happened like this area become no weakened and come outside. That is the hernia. Hernia happen anywhere in this. Okay, cystocelli it is the same thing, and rectocelli happen here. Okay, we seen this. Just give, they have given the picture. Okay, cystocelli is the sac-like structure made. Okay, on it. Staphylococcus the bacteria. Abscess means what? Abscess means the collection of pus. Okay, a collection of pus now. It is abscess. mean bed area, like you can say, make a bed area. Pneumococci, lung. It is bacteria. All these cocci bacteria. It is just read the word. Nothing. We don't need to see anything apart from this. C. difficile. Sorry. C. difficile is an infection. Okay, it's a kind of infection. This given the picture of this all whatever we have just seen. Okay, white blood cell and granulocyte, leukocyte are of this type: eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. So this is the mononuclear cell, lymphocyte. This all five na are a leukocyte. Okay, white blood cell type. Thrombocyte are a platelet. This type of platelet are there. No need to see much more in this because already we have seen. Okay, so granulocyte contain the dark staining granules in the cytoplasm and have a multi-lobule nucleus. So dark color type of granules it is granulocyte. It is cell. In the cell, na, there are five types of cell like eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil. Just see the word. Okay, it is type of cell. Okay, mononuclear cell. It is type of large nucleus. In this come lymphocyte, monocyte. Okay, okay. Acromegaly we have seen already alignment of over any like extremity. Na? It is acromegaly. Pituitary gland, we know pituitary gland. Laparoscopy, make a puncture in the abdomen. Okay, how they make a puncture and they are doing this. Okay, tracheotomy picture given here. Tracheotomy, tracheotomy. They have made open. Okay, left hand side. Now you can see tracheotomy. They have make an incision and opened it and take tracheostomy like put inside of this anything. Okay, tracheostomy opening. You can learn this, read this, you will know better. Adenoid is a gland, a small muscle lymph tissue in a part of the pharynx throat. Okay, adenoid happen here. Adenoid tension. Just read this. Adenoids is there. Tonsil. We know that pharynx, epiglottis, trachea is there. Epiglottis. When we take a food, na, it become esophagus is the food area, and epiglottis make them close. Okay, epiglottis means it is a kind of a lock. Okay, when we take a fluid now, it lock the our air area. Okay, so we can sorry air not air area. When we take anything na, like fluid and air and this food, it make close. Okay, there are two things happen simultaneously in this. So when we take a fluid, it block one pipe, so we can easily take the food inside. Then again it close. Like air area, no, they close or any area. So that is enough. That is completed. Just all things we have done. Chapter number 3 has been done. Just read this. That is the word. Okay. Whatever we have seen, no, that word is. Just read with the help of PDF file what I have given you. Okay, that is enough. I think. And this exercise. Now, okay, that is completed.